Look around. Concrete, plain and bare. It doesn't stand for greatness yet. It's waiting for those who dare to transform it. This is what we, Team BUE, stands for. Workmanship that leaves no flaw, no shortcut taken. Every line, every finish is a reflection of our pride. Our foundation isn't just in concrete, it's in the bonds we build. A loyalty that's set as strong as the bedrock beneath. True leadership stands as our rebar, reinforcing every project, guiding every hand. We infuse our vision with relentless dedication, creating a blend as resilient as retroplate itself. In this craft, every aggregate matters, every detail counts. We're not here for quick cures, we're here for the long haul, where chemistry meets commitment and every slab we lay tells a story of excellence. A commitment to quality that goes beyond just what you see. It's a dedication embedded in every layer, from the first slab to the final gloss. With retroplate in our arsenal, driven by a relentless work ethic and bound by loyalty to one another, we follow a visionary leader who sees beyond concrete. Our mission, to craft polished concrete that stands strong for future generations, rooted in sustainability and carrying the mark of excellence. Built on a foundation of trust, skill, and unwavering dedication, each project reflects our lasting commitment to quality.